Now in studies, if you learn the alphabets in nursery and calculus in class 10, how do schools decide which sports students should play and in which class? Well, that's exactly where the foundations like EduSports comes in. Our Marks Sports team visited the Legacy School in Bangalore to find out more.
I like cricket. I like badminton. I like swimming. I like football. I like basketball. I love all sports.
If these young kids are anything to go by, every student is essentially a sports lover. And that's exactly what the EduSports Foundation hopes to nurture by creating a school sports curriculum in a way that the PT or PE period isn't a drag for any student, and so that children in schools look forward to playing games more suited to their age and remain fit for life.
आपको अगर सोलर सिस्टम पढ़ाना है तो आप कैसे पढ़ाएंगे? पहले तो आपको समझ आना चाहिए कि सोलर सिस्टम किस क्लास से पढ़ाना चाहिए, पहली बात। सेकंड है कि सोलर सिस्टम कैसे पढ़ाते हैं। आप शायद सोलर सिस्टम का मॉडल लेके आए, मैं शायद सोलर सिस्टम को बच्चों को खड़ा कर दूं कि आप सन हो, आप मून हो, आप अर्थ हो, कोई और शायद यूट्यूब वीडियो दिखाए। तो एक तो है कि एक स्टैंडर्ड होता है कि क्लास 3 में सोलर सिस्टम पढ़ाना चाहिए। वो स्टैंडर्ड के बेसिस पे करिकुलम बनाया जाता है कि ये मुझे अगर स्टैंडर्ड अचीव करना है तो मुझे करिकुलम क्या होना चाहिए ताकि बच्चा ये सीख सके एट द एंड ऑफ दैट 1 साल। वो सिखाने का तरीका या वो सिखाने के तरीके में और इन्वॉल्वमेंट या मजा आने के लिए प्रॉप्स या टीचिंग एड्स होते हैं।
Now, while there may be no theory or examinations on physical education, EduSports has made reference books such as this one for every class, one that works as a broad outline so that sports instructors can make sports more fun for every school student. EduSports uses a number of colorful tools and props for different activities, standardized in a way that each student of the class is involved. There's also a grading system in place which acts as a further boost for these students, all in sync with the NDTV Nirmal Lifestyle Marks Sports campaign.
Students, we find, are more focused. There's more direction. They're enjoying themselves, having fun, and look forward to sport. So it's not just getting onto the football field and kicking the ball, but you know the intrinsic skills are being developed.
EduSports has a curriculum right from nursery to class 10, which is currently being implemented across 150 schools in over 50 cities in India with about 1.3 lakh students. A number that's steadily increasing since it's easy to follow for every type of school.
That our program is designed for limited spaces by definition, because I don't see schools having lots of space, not many schools having rather. Therefore, from a scalability of wanting to get 1 million kids to play, or hopefully over time 1 billion kids to play, we have to design a program that embraces lack of space, embraces lack of time. That's what we've tried to do.
So a great platform for a Marks Sports campaign. EduSports hopes to take the phrase catch 'em young to another level altogether by involving kids with sports right from the beginning at school. In Bangalore, Disha Chopra, NDTV.